Welcome back, everyone. Just been splitting wood, previous video, not here. Now, what's the car doing in here, you might be thinking? Yeah, I thought the same thing too. So guy, he hasn't drove this since I put the other one on, other than I drove it to town to get the right hydraulic hose for the log splitter, which I just briefly mentioned in the, I don't know what video that was, but anywho, I got 4 miles from my house out on the road and heard a clunk. Something bounced underneath the car. As soon as it started, we started looking in the rear view mirror light. See what the hell was happening. Didn't see anything. Drove to town, got my hydraulic hose, come home, put it on, put the hydraulic hose on. Didn't think anything of it till I went to go leave. Like, I better inspect my car, you know. With the wheel, when I turned it in, was like cranked out like that, so I could look right in the wheel well. Broke strut, right here. Right here's what I saw. And I'm pretty sure when I did the other side, I'm like, yeah, I should probably go ahead and do both. If not, I know I set it off camera, which I'm gonna look right here. So anyway, we're gonna do a how-to on this. So let's get started. First, we need to get the car jacked up, get the wheel taken off, get the hood open, check the fluids, crank the radiator, solder the engine. You know the deal. Alright, so you're going to take this 10 mil out. Just get it out of the way. You want to take this off. This actually holds the strut in place. Spray the hell out of that. Then you want to take your sway bar link off, which I have new, but they're not here. So I'll just do, I did the other side. So it's not a big deal to change that out. But anyway, yeah, let's do. Take that out. I don't have the right Torx for that. Not Torx, triple square. So I have to hammer in a Torx that is the biggest that I have. You'll see what I'm talking about. And then last, you're gonna want to have somebody push down on the A-arm. You're gonna have to whack that out. You have to whack it out, I'm telling you. And then you want to leave these top till you get the bottom out. Leave them in till you get the bottom out. There she is. Busted the bottom right, sheared the bottom right off that. Clean hands, clean money. Dirty hands. Been working hard. Or, I don't know. I like clean hands. It's hard for me to, manufacturing. Not manufacturing. Automotive repair. I spend as much on hand cleaner as I do the job. See, that's the problem I have, even on the other side. Getting it out of the spindle, and then the problem was getting it back in the spindle without popping the CV shaft apart, which is, both sides are terrible about it. Other than that, I don't know how long I spent on this, maybe 40 minutes or so. Granted, I waited on my dad to come over and hold one, bring me a hammer, I hammer the other one. But yeah, strut complete, both sides. I do have sway bar link that just didn't come, so I'm just going to have it set. That's another thing right there. I punched that part number in for the other side on eBay. Now if you need it in a hurry, that's different. Same part, same box, same part number. 105 to the door, 155 had to go pick up, 155 was at the parts store. And yeah, like on eBay there was 2 struts, both sides sway bar links for like 140 bucks. Which was a kit, which, if you need it in a hurry, you gotta spend the money. But anyway, shop around. If you don't need it in a hurry, get on like O'Reilly's, Vance, look the part up, make sure it's the part you need, because they list different models, different sizes. Like on this, there's like 55 millimeter strut thing that goes in the spindle, that size there. And see, I didn't know which one I needed. So rather than wait for a week, order it, or wait for a week, you know what I mean, whatever. But yeah, shop around, I mean, realistically, places, they have the same number, different brand, same number. Because I just got on there and typed in that 3335576, which different cars, they might have a 3335575, which might be left or right, or 77. It depends on. But mine said fits either side, so same number. Same part, which pretty cool.